Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As you already know, this is your US General 5-drawer tool cart with side tray and deep compartment. And as I always state, as usual, I always keep my signature lingering somewhere in the background, my Dunkin' Donuts coffee, as you can see behind the tablet. Okay, it's towards the mid evening of the day. Okay, it's a little quiet now. Postal service just came through. They just dropped me off a package. Okay, so I did receive something today, so we're gonna do a little tool review, a little tool haul real quick. All right, so I'm gonna get my cutters open, I'm gonna get the contents out the box that you see on the side tray, and we're gonna get to it. Okay, as you can see, what is sitting here on the side tray, I picked up a couple of new brake tools. I'm replacing a set that I actually had to upgrade to a little better set. I didn't want to purchase this from off the truck. This is kind of expensive on the truck as a set, which comes in a 5-piece set. I actually didn't need the whole 5-piece set, nor the tray. Okay, so basically, what you're taking a look back here is a 8 to 10 millimeter brake bleeder wrench. Okay, this is a snap-on, as you can see. Okay, the part number is S6110A. I don't know if you can see it. S6110A. Okay, this right here is a brake adjusting tool, as you can see. See if we can get the part number to focus in, which is B1461. Quite sure if it's focusing in properly. B1461. Okay. Okay, what you're taking a look right here, these are rear drum spring pliers, retaining bending lock head pullers. Okay, the part number I believe on these is 131A, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, as you can see, it's 131A. Last Friday when I was on the truck, I did pick up another tool. Technically, let me see, got it back here. As you can see right here, this is a magnetic brake retaining spring tool. Okay, and the part number is BS T60. I actually purchased this. They have two different sizes. This is the biggest size right here. No, actually this is the smaller size, I believe. But technically I use a flip socket in all actuality, which you can see right here. Okay, this is also a snap-on. The part number is S6118. This is 1/4 inch. So basically, this basically has both measurement sizes. Okay. Yeah, so like I said, I purchased these because I'm actually upgrading and replacing a set. So you know what these are. But once again, I'll give you the part numbers. As you can see, it's 131A. And as you can see here, this is B1461. And this is S6110A. This is 8 to 10 millimeter offset, as you can see. Once again, this is a brake bleeding tool. Okay, these are your tools that's essential for basically doing brake work. Okay, yeah, so that's basically gonna be pretty much it for now at the moment. Like I said, it is kind of quiet, but there's a job being written up at the prior moment, so I'm about to get to that as soon as the paperwork is done and completed. All right, so tomorrow is Friday, Snap on Friday, as always. Waiting to see my guy, waiting to see what he got for me. Okay, so until the next one, we're gonna check you later. Peace.